Hello friends, today we will see what is structure. A structure is a data object that is made up of components of any data type stored one after the other in memory. So what is structure? Structure is just a data object that is made up of components of any data type. The difference between table and structure is table it carries the data and structure it is a skeleton, means it doesn't carry data. Table is like an internal table. It will carry the data but at runtime. And in work area like skeleton, but in work area if it carries the data, it will carry only one record. Structures are useful for painting screen fields and for manipulating data that has been constant format defined by discrete number of fields. In this video we will see how to create a structure, how to change a structure and how to delete a structure. In structure it is like a table but it doesn't have a primary key. It is a reusable component. There are two options for include a structure in a table. First is include structure and second is append structure. Include structure means we can, it is like a custom table. Include structure is a custom table and append structure it used in SAP table. To include a structure we have to click on dot include, and for append structure we just have to click on append. In include structure it is reusable and append structure it is not reusable. The difference between include structure and append structure is include structures are reusable and append structures are not reusable. Now we will see structure diagram. Structures, customer, name, address. Name consists of first name, last name, address. Now structures have three types: flat structure, nested structures and deep structures. What are flat structures? A flat structure only reference elementary types. A nested structure reference at least one further structure but not a table type. Deep structures. A deep structure reference at least one table type. Now we'll create an include structure. Now we will create an include structure. So SC11 ABAP dictionary. Now data type. We'll write it Z address 123. Address Z address 123. Now just click on create structure. Yes, we have seen data element structure. Next video we will see data type. Just click structures. Our first structure. Now city. Now city type REGIO. Now see character region state type. And just click on enter. Now we have created city and country. Now we'll just save it. Web test. Now check enhancement category for table missing. Now just we'll click on back extra enhancement category. Yes, can be enhanced deep. Copy. Now just check it. We have removed the enhancement category. Now we will click on active. Just click done. Object activated. Now we will just save. Now I just copy the structure name. Now we'll create a database table Z. Now as you can see we have created our structure. So yeah, city country. As you can see, we have created a structure. Now we'll make it include structure. So to make an include structure, we have to create a database table. We have to create a table. So we'll give a name as table. Create short description. So test table. Now delivery class, it will be A. A means application table. Master and transaction data. So just click on copy. Now data browser, table view maintain. Display maintain allowed with restriction? No. Display maintenance allowed. Now we have to click on fields. Now I just write a field name as name. Now click on now care 30 and enter. As you can see, it automatically, as you can see, when I click on enter, it automatically created data type, length, decimal. I will just zoom. Decimal places, short descriptions, because it was already saved. Now we have to create a include structure. So just we have to write dot include. See dot include. Now just see. Now as you can see, I have written in fields dot include, and in data element I have written the structure name z address. So just I will enter it. See, data type it is structure, length 0, decimal places 0, and short description is our first structure. Now if we want to see the fields in z address 123, so just click on this. So just click on expand all. You can see city, country, REGIO, it is used for region, and LAND1, it is used for country key. Now we have include our structure in a table. This is called as include structure. This is a way to include a structure in a table. Now we will see append structure. Now we will see how to create an append structure. To create an append structure, just click on KNA1. It is predefined standard table. Now we will create an append structure. Here you can see append structure, it is written. Just we have to click on append structure and create. We have to create our new append structure. So just click on create append. Click on this button. Now Z append 1 2 3, or just click append structure. It is already there. So 1. Now we'll write a short description like append our first append structure. Now any name we can give in our components. Name, type will be type, and set name, match name. Just we will save it. Yes, check it. Enhancement category, we will just extra enhancement category. Yes, in a can be enhanced deep. Click on this button, can be enhanced deep, and copy and active. Just go back. Just click on again. Just click on append structure. You can see append structure 1, or first append structure. Already I have created an append structure. It is activated. Append first structure. I will show you. Name matched. It is activated. So, now we have created our append structure. Now I will show you how to change structure. So just copy, just write the structure name which we have created, display, back, change like country1, just save it, check it, activate it, object is activated. We have changed our structure. Now if you want to delete our structure, so just click on delete z address 123. Yes, our structure was deleted. In this video we have seen what are structures, include structure, append structures, and we have created a structure. In next video we'll see table type.